Have you ever pushed Odoo code into your Odoo settings and wondered, is my build succeed or whether the server is running properly, or who have changed the project settings? Well, in today's video, we'll be discussing about the Odoo.sh builds, the status, the audit logs and logs in a very simple way. Now let's understand what is a build. A build is an environment created by Odoo.sh to run and test different versions of your project. So whenever you create a new code or merge your branch or rebuild your project, Odoo creates a new build, and this build allows you to check whether your codes and modules are running correctly. Now let's look into the build status. So the build status will tell us what's happening for our build. If the build is working successfully, it will be indicated with a green color and we can say that it has successfully completed. And if it fails, which means if the build is failed, we can say that something went with the code or the module and we need to check it and fix the issues right there. And it will be indicated with a red color. And let's imagine you have just made the changes for your code and you are building a new one. As the build is in progress, it will be indicated with a green, not green color, with an orange color. So whatever changes you are made, all those changes can be visible under the build status. So before get into your project for changing anything, or when you just made changes, you can just get all the changes that you have made from the build status. What if your build fails? Yes, this is where the logs plays an important role. So the log will show what is the issue and why it went wrong. So when we just run our Odoo with a new build, sometimes due to some of the issue, it will be showing that it is not successfully run and it fails. So build status basically shows something went wrong, and log shows why it's went wrong, and we can just get the track back and everything. Let's say if you just get an error of the Python code or missing of the fields, or during the installation of a module, sometimes you'll be getting error. All these can be viewed under the log. Audit log let the users to know what changes have been made to the project settings and who have made. Let's say if a project is handling by multiple developers, we need to know who have made the development changes and when it has made, and everything can be identified using the audit log. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. So before winding up this topic, I would like to introduce Mobo, where you can take your sales, inventory, CRM or any of the Odoo application into your mobile and manage everything seamlessly anytime, anyway. So if you just want to use Odoo application from your mobile, use Mobo and get it from the Play Store or App Store. And thank you for watching the video.